Look, this is what they have done. Multiple of them, they go around and they go biting a little by little of each and every one of them. It's so devastating. What do you do, farmers? Help me. And it's not only birds that are a menace in this place. We also have the chafer beetle, which also eats on every berry that you have in your garden. Even sunflower, the same thing. Birds will not let me have even a single one to myself. They eat and chew everything on my trees. Farmers, what do you do? What can I do? I'm appealing for opinions on what I could do with my garden to keep off or to stop the birds and the beetles from eating everything. I don't mind when they eat just a little, but now they are not kind enough. They tend to eat almost everything and leave nothing for me. What can I do?